Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your games on your Nintendo Switch over to a micro SD card. So if you have one of those inserted, we want to go on over to System Settings right here. Scroll on down to Data Management, and you can see the free space available for each of them. So I have System Memory here on the left, then micro SD card. So we want to go to the first option, move data between System and micro SD card. So you may have a lot of data on one or the other. So we want to go to move to micro SD card. So we can go to system memory, move it to the micro SD memory. So let's go to this option. If you go to the bottom option, you're going to move it from micro SD card all the way up to system memory. So we can go to here. Then we can choose the game we want to transfer over. It says Rocket League's 3.4 gigabytes. So I'm just going to move this over. So system memory down to my micro SD card, and then go to move. And then we can go ahead and download more games back to our system memory. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. More tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.